Hey Animal Side family, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we've got a fun challenge that'll test just how well you know your animal kingdom. It's the Guess the Animal Sound Challenge. We've compiled 50 different animal sounds from around the world. Your task? Listen closely and try to guess which animal each sound belongs to. Keep track of your score and let us know in the comments how you did. Ready? Let's go! Lion. Elephant. Frog. Dolphin. Owl. Hyena. Penguin. Snake. Gorilla. Rooster. Horse. Wolf. Koala. Peacock. Donkey. Chimpanzee. Whale. Raccoon. Parrot. Cheetah. Seal. Cricket. Crocodile. Pigeon. Rhino. Zebra. Giraffe. Kangaroo. Orangutan. Bald eagle. Hippopotamus. Bear. Lemur. Warthog. Tasmanian devil. Beaver. Bat. Boar. Gazelle. Cuckoo. Walrus. Ostrich. Meerkat. Platypus. Armadillo. Otter. Lynx. Porcupine. Vulture. Jaguar. And that's a wrap on our Guess the Animal Sound Challenge. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments below and challenge a friend to beat your score. If you enjoyed this challenge, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Animal Side for more exciting animal content. Until next time, stay wild and keep exploring the incredible world of animals.